Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello, and welcome to episode number 210 of Business Behind the Scene. Today, we're talking about the power of delegation and the mastery of delegation and understanding how delegation can truly change your life forever. Happy Boxing Day, everyone. If you're listening to this is our special edition for today, because if you are like most business owners, you probably are juggling so many things, probably million tasks for this year, and you have done so much, right? You need to stop and celebrate and be proud of yourself. You're running business, you're managing tasks, you're trying to find time for yourself and for your family, and probably you have been struggling. So I hope that this Boxing Day you are celebrating it and you're relaxing and you getting back time for yourself and for your family. But today I wanted to bring to you a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of sharing the things that I've learned that I'm still learning, to be honest, on delegation, and why is delegation so important and crucial for our business to be able to grow and to go to the next level. First and foremost, as you may have found out, doing everything ourselves on our own is probably not the smartest thing to do, and it's not the healthiest things to do either. It's really hard to do it all by ourselves. It's really difficult to continually feeling like we're stretched in so many ways, and we're doing a little bit of everything. And a lot of the time, I don't know you, but when I do too many things, I actually fail at a lot of the things. So I had to, at one point in my business, I had to go draw a line on the sand and be like, enough is enough. I'm not going to continue to do it all. 2025 is going to be different. So I would love for you to make this decision this Boxing Day and be like, you know what? 2025 is going to be about me delegating and really stop being stretched to the maximum and really make that decision for yourself and for your future self and for your family. And I've done that many years ago, and I'm so grateful, and I'm never going to look back again. What happens is that when we don't delegate, we're missing out on opportunities to really scale the business because we don't have time to focus on growth. We're just so literally our head is in the sand, and we just continue working, and just seeing the little next task and next task. And we're always working on urgent things, and those urgent things are probably hitting you so hard, and you're like, I can't stop. And if I stop, all these balls are going to drop. And what am I going to do? And so take this time throughout Christmas to really make a plan for 2025 and make this different for you, so that you really need to learn that if you don't master delegation, you're going to be overworked, which means you're going to burn out, which means probably you're not going to be as productive as you could be if you had team members to work with you, and together you'll be able to shine. So mastering delegation is really the key for being overwhelmed to thriving, to go really from overwhelmed to thriving as a business owner. So master delegation is that key to success that you need to really stop drowning. And a lot of people think, oh my gosh, I don't know if I want to delegate because I don't want to lose control of the task. If I do it, I know it's done properly. But I believe that is the opposite. When you do delegate, you actually like learn freedom. You have a taste of freedom when you delegate properly. And literally, delegation is the exact skill that you need to start to have a taste of freedom. And I know because that's me. Like, I literally have so much freedom in my life because I've learned to delegate. And to be honest, I'm still learning to delegate. So I hope that this gives you a little bit of insight, and I would love you to make a decision for your future self and be like, you know what? Every year I choose a word for the year, and I would love for you to choose the word for next year, which is delegation. And if you master delegation in every area of your life, you're going to have freedom back. You're going to have your time back. You're going to have, the reason why you started this business in the first place is going to finally become truth. And I really wish that for you with the bottom of my heart, to be able to finally get a little bit of sense of the hard work that you put into this business. It's time to receive a little bit of the benefits from it as well. And so we put together a super kit to help you to make this transition, to go from burnout and overwhelm to go into freedom in 2025. And the super kit is literally an incredible package of all my things, including the Power of Delegation ebook copy. And that's because I want to help business owners to really make the transition and to finally get a ticket to freedom. So I think this super kit should actually be called a ticket to freedom because it is. It's only $49 and you get 7 inclusions. Number 1, you get my virtual assistant masterclass to show you how to successfully hire and manage virtual assistants when you get them. Number 2 is VA onboarding mastery course. We just finished to record this one. It's incredible. And it's literally the understanding of financial foundation on how to work with virtual assistants. We teach you everything, all the things you need to know, and all the things that I teach my clients when they first started working with us. So priceless. This is not on sale anyone else because only clients get this, and you guys gonna get it as part of the super kit. So amazing. Number 3, fresh off the print, just finished recording time management course. Priceless, incredible. We used to have a longer version and it was a little bit not very useful because people that need a time management course, they're time poor. So we had to restructure it and we go straight to the point. Literally is incredible. This course, you got to do it, is amazing. We're going to send you the 100 tasks that you need to delegate to a virtual assistant. And it's a brand new, fresh of the print as well. We have done such an incredible work with all my beautiful new marketing team that we have. We have 4 new people in marketing and we have just killed it. So brand new, 100 tasks. So if you're in my database and you already got it, this is a fresh off the print, so you need to re-get it. $500 credit towards your first or next virtual assistant. So a new contract with us, $500 credit. So you can use that, and it's incredible towards a virtual assistant. This is a financial help to help you kickstart your own outsourcing journey. As I said before, number 6, the Power of Delegation ebook, and is a deep dive on how effective delegation can free up your time for growth. It's literally a great book, and a lot of people that have read it, they're like, oh my gosh, I can literally read it in a couple of hours because it's me that spoke it, it's not written. And number 7 is a free outsource strategy consultation, a personalized one-on-one session on how to create a solid outsourcing strategy for your business. Priceless, 45 minutes with my team members. You're going to love it. Amazing. So 7 things. Listen, when you delegate, you're going to find freedom, and I promise you. So get this super kit for $49 only. You get the number 1 ticket to the virtual assistant masterclass, number 2, the onboarding course, time management course, 100 tasks to delegate, $500 credit towards your next virtual assistant, Power Delegation ebook, and an outsourcing strategy consultation. It's a no-brainer for $49. I can't even believe this. And it's only for the first 100 people. So I hope that you are listening to this and you get yourself on it, because it's not for everybody. It's only the first 100 people. And just so you know a little bit of numbers, the moment that we've sent these to our database, we have 22,000 people. So it's going to be sold out. So get it right now as you hear this. So you guys are going to be the first one that you hear this. And then my team is going to send an email in a couple of hours. So you got time as you're listening to this. Go and get it. Things that people tell me when they want to delegate is like, will I lose control over my business? And the thing is like, no, it's the opposite. Like you get more control because by stopping doing everything, you'll be able to have the helicopter view of your business. You're going to be able to see and oversee all the things that are happening. And so you have even more control over time. And a lot of people ask the question, is this going to be worth my time and my money to get this kit? And I'm like, absolutely. The value is this kit. I can't even put a value on it because I told you a couple of these things are not even for sale. But the value is well over $1,500. So you need to get your hands onto this. And what if my business isn't ready? Look, if your business is not ready, this is why you need to get this, because you will prepare yourself to get ready. So million %, I strongly recommend that you get started, because we're going to help you and support you in these 7 steps. And who is this offer for? Well, the super kit is for business owners who are feeling overwhelmed by admin or marketing tasks, entrepreneurs that are ready to scale but need to free up the time to be able to do that, And anybody really curious about working with a virtual assistant and you haven't found the right agency, the right people to work with, and you don't know where to start from, then this $49 kit is going to be super valuable. This Boxing Day deal is not going to be forever. It's only for the first 100 people. So get on it right now. We'll link the kit on the description so that you can actually get it and grab the Delegation Super Mastery kit right now. It's time to work smarter and not harder, guys. Let's make 2025 the best year of your life. I am super excited. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Remember, delegation isn't just a skill, it's your ticket to freedom. Get your ticket to freedom right now for $49. I promise you, you're going to love it. Thank you for listening. Happy New Year if I don't see you before, and let's see you in 2025. Thank you so much for listening to this amazing podcast. Now, if you enjoyed this, you're definitely going to love my Facebook group where I've got over 11,000 people in it, and they're all business owners successful like you. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge, and in there I do classes every week, and I get to interview my clients, and I get to teach you all the things that I've done to get my business to 100K plus a month. So I look forward to have you in there. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge Facebook group in Facebook. I look forward to see you there. Ciao.